In this video, we will show you how to change font style in WhatsApp. To change your font style in WhatsApp, there is two methods. First, you can change the font style from system. And the second, we can using fancy generator. How to do that? Okay, let me show you first. This is my WhatsApp default font. When you type, okay, this is a default font. Okay, this is default font when you usually creating a WhatsApp. To change this default font, you can go to your system on your phone. Okay, just select these settings, and then you can type font in here. Just type font, then select font size and styles. It's depend on your smartphone version. Okay, just select font size and style, and in here you can see this is the fonts that default on your smartphone. You can change this. It will also automatically change the font of WhatsApp. For example, we choose Gothic Bold here, and you can see our font is become bold. Let's see on our WhatsApps. Okay, now the font is become the bold also, and you can also download the font. Let me show you. You can using customize font. When you click download, let me show you here the font size and style, and select font size and style here, and you can select font style. When you click download fonts, you can choose another font that exists on the smartphone. Okay, you can just select all and agree here. And the second method to change the fonts on WhatsApp, you can using the generator. Let's open your web browser. You can open lingojam.com/fancy text generator here. This is the URL. Okay, lingojam.com/fancy text generator. You can just type your font. This is font. Okay, for example, you can choose any font you want to send. For example, here, let's copy. After that, we can send on our WhatsApp account and hit the enter. And this is your fonts. Okay. Now we successfully changed the WhatsApp font using two methods. The first is using system, and the second is using generator. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.